Okay, may question tayo. Ano yung currency pair na pwedeng i-trade for beginner? So, meron tayong tatlong categories when it comes to currency pairs. So, meron tayong majors, minors, or cross-currency pair, and then exotic. So, yung majors, meron tayong 7. Ito yung common na tinitrade ng mga traders, beginner to advanced. And then next to that, meron tayong mga minors. And then yung last is yung exotic. So, yung pinaka may advice ko na i-trade kapag nagsisimula pa lang kayo is yung major currency pairs kasi maliit lang yung spread. So spread, ito yung fee na binabayad natin every time we take trades, and mas okay yung flow ng price action sa majors as compared to minors and exotic. So I'd suggest focus muna kayo sa majors kapag medyo familiar na kayo, mag-add kayo ng paunti-unti ng minors, and make sure na iiwasan nyo yung exotics kasi very volatile niya, very random yung movement, and sobrang taas ng spread or yung fees na binabayad natin. Okay, so yun yung may advice ko, try to focus on the major currency pairs.